Today I'm going to show you how to make an incredibly juicy and flavorful pork loin roll. This recipe looks impressive, but the process is actually very simple. First, we start with a pork loin. Using a sharp knife, carefully slice the pork loin lengthwise and open it up like a book. Continue slicing and unfolding the meat until you get one large, thin sheet of pork. The goal is to create a wide, even layer of meat that we can roll later. Once the pork is opened, cover it with plastic wrap and gently pound it with a meat mallet. This helps make the meat even thinner and more tender, and it also makes the roll easier to shape later. When you're done, you should have a large, thin sheet of pork ready for the filling. Now let's make the filling. Finely chop 2 shallots, or you can use 1 regular onion if you prefer. Then mince a few cloves of garlic. Place a skillet over medium heat and melt a tablespoon of butter. Add the chopped shallots and garlic and sauté them for a few minutes until they become soft and fragrant. Set them aside to cool slightly. Next, we prepare the main part of the filling. In a blender or food processor, add 4 Italian sausages, half a cup of cream, fresh rosemary, fresh thyme. Blend everything until smooth and well combined. Now add the sautéed shallots and garlic to the mixture. Then add a handful of prunes and raisins. These ingredients add a beautiful sweetness that balances the savory pork perfectly. Blend or mix everything until you get a rich, flavorful filling. Seasoning the pork. Now we prepare the pork for rolling. Lay the flattened pork loin on your work surface. Season the pork sheet generously with salt, black pepper, garlic powder. Make sure the seasoning is spread evenly across the entire surface. Now spread the filling over the pork. Use a spatula or your hands to distribute it evenly across the meat, leaving a small border around the edges. Once the filling is spread, start rolling the pork tightly from one side. Try to keep the roll firm and compact so it holds its shape during cooking. When the roll is formed, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. Place the wrapped pork roll in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. This step helps the roll keep its shape and allows the flavors to develop. After the pork has chilled, remove it from the refrigerator and unwrap the plastic. Now we prepare the bacon layer. Lay several strips of bacon next to each other on your work surface, slightly overlapping them. You need about 20 bacon strips. Place the pork roll on top of the bacon. Carefully wrap the bacon around the pork roll so it is fully covered. The bacon adds incredible flavor and helps keep the pork moist while baking. Place the bacon-wrapped pork roll into a baking dish. Bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. As the pork cooks, the bacon slowly renders its fat, keeping the meat juicy and tender. After 1 hour, remove the roll from the oven. Brush the surface generously with honey. This will create a beautiful glaze and a slightly caramelized crust. Return the pork roll to the oven and increase the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for another 30 minutes. Once the pork roll is done, remove it from the oven and let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing. When you cut into it, you'll see the beautiful layers of pork, savory sausage filling, and crispy bacon. The meat turns out incredibly juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. This is the kind of recipe that looks like restaurant food, but is surprisingly easy to make at home. Perfect for a family dinner or a special occasion. Enjoy!